What's something your family raised you doing that you later learned was really weird? In the summer, my dad used to get us up, myself and 3 siblings, at 9 a.m., give us breakfast, and then boot us out of the house and lock the back front doors from the inside. We weren't allowed back inside until the streetlights came on, unless it was only using the washroom or getting a drink. Our ages were 10, 9, 7, and 4 the first time he did it, because he told me, "You're old enough to look after them on your own now, and you're not sitting around the house on your fat asses all day." My stepmom never questioned it, because she figured that he was just getting us to play outside for a few hours. Once my second youngest sister, the 7-year-old, got heat stroke, and my dad was pissed that he had to drive us all to the hospital and waste time, realized when I was 14, 15 that he just wanted us out of the house so he could drink and watch NHL. We never really questioned why he was kicking us out, because the other kids that lived on the street were also outside around the same time as us. Once we were invited into my brother's friend's house to play his Wii, and we were like, "What? You're allowed to go inside and play the Wii? What the fuck?"